Guys, this is another video halfway into the work, but you know how I do. All my videos are like this. So check it out, right? I have this DDJ. Let me show you this baby here. This is a DDJ SX2, right? Took it apart because the microphone, which goes right here on this area, basically broke. It's totally broken, and I haven't been able to find a replacement from Pioneer, right? I placed an order, waited like 2-3 weeks almost, and could not get one of these, all out of stock, impossible to get. So I decided to just improvise, and what I did is I purchased another one. I'll put the company's name on the description. It's like New Tech. So I purchased this in hopes it would be identical, but it's not, right? But it's similar in a sense. So what I'm doing is I'm removing the parts, as you can see how this one is made. A lot of parts are like this. So I'm removing the parts and basically just using this little pin area. If you could get something similar from, you know, something else, you could do the same thing. But these leads were all broken, right? So what I'm doing is I'm extending them, right? So look at that. I soldered one right across all the way down. Same thing with that one. And I just did this side. So basically I'm extending them, soldering them, and they're nice and tight, right? Just did the middle one. So I got like 2 more to go. Or actually 3 more to go. So I'm pulling all these pins and, you know, trying to make them fit over here, and that's it. So I'll end up soldering this back on, and problem solved. Especially if you can't find the part, that's the way to go. Okay, so there's the finished product. All the pins that I solder. Now I'm gonna place them on the board, get them in there, and then cut them and solder them. Okay, just finished soldering all of them, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it, and then I'm gonna use some cleaning fluid. I use rubbing alcohol to clean it, so it removes all of the flux and looks really nice. But it's nice and sturdy, and when I put it in place, these screws are actually what's gonna hold it in place even better. So this is the workaround I was telling you about, you know, in case you can't find this part. Okay, so this is the final product. It's all cut and clean. Look how beautiful that looks. Okay, so I completed the work, put everything back together. Sorry, this video I'm not showing you how to put everything back together, all the screws. There's so many videos out there that actually shows you how to take this SX apart and put it back together. So, but my thing was I had a bad microphone port and replaced it by doing a hack. And now I was able to get my microphone plugged, and it's plugged nice and tight. Feels great. And this is my mic. Let's test it. 1 2 1 2. Sounds really, really, really good. So, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. My hack worked great, and everything is good. This machine is great.